So hello my lovelies, welcome to my channel. My name is Deepa Sri. Yes, so before I begin the video, I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of update about what am I wearing on my face today. So I am wearing this lip combination. So this is, obviously I love PAC lip liners. They are bomb. Yes. So I am wearing this shade called as let me just see. Where is the shade name? This is the shade name Forever Fuchsia. So this one is a very important buy because I use this with my reds and with my pinks. Yeah, it just is so creamy, so buttery. Yeah, it is very nice. So I would suggest you to go for this, the Forever Fuchsia. And coming to the lip color, because I went bold on my eyes today with the blues and all of that, so I just calmed down, with this lipstick, and I'm sure many of you love this shade of lipstick. So I am using the one by My Glam. So I got this in PR. Yes, I got this in PR, and I worked with My Glam for good 2 to 3 years. Yes. So this is the shade. It's that muted, pastel pink. Love it. It's a mauve color, and this is in the shade. Oh my god, what's the shade name? So it's not mentioned that this is nude mauve, obviously. So this is a lip combination, and coming to my eyes today, I've used my Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. Oh my god, I love Jaclyn Hill, and this is the palette. Yes, so this is the one. So when I went for this blues, and I've used this brown. So I love this palette. Yes, I have tried to maintain it. Yes, so I've used a couple of times, and when I need good, this is supremely pigmented, very nice, worth your buy. And I think this stop making this now, but yeah, but I love this, and one of the hit palettes of Morphe. So yeah, so that is everything that I've done on my face. Yes, so what is the video today about? Yes, so stay tuned. I'm gonna give you guys an update. Yes, I have shopped in my Bliss Club, like I think from the past 3 years. I think from when they started launched in obviously in India. So I have worn their black leggings, the crop leggings, their shorties, the small shorties, and I have worn my purple leggings with obviously white sweatshirt when I go to airports. I have worn green leggings. I have worn brown leggings. I have tons of colors, and I love their quality. I love how they fit on my body. I love that. So I am today showing everything that I have from my Bliss Club. Yes, so let's cut it out. Yes, so let's, yeah, I'm gonna unbox or cut it out with you guys. Yes, so I love their leggings. They are very comfortable, very nice, amazing. Yes, so I would suggest you to just go and invest in my Bliss Club leggings, and trust me, you'll not regret. And you can, if you are not so experimental about colors, you can just go for the black one. Yes, so yes, I'm going to show you everything. So if you're wondering, somebody who doesn't know, this is the one. So this is the My Bliss Club leggings. Yes, so I'm going to insert pictures here of all the colors that I have from them. Yes, and I've worn it so much from 3 years. Yes, if I do not know what to pair it up with, so obviously it comes in this cover, which I'm sure, yeah, it comes all sealed and packed, and I love how it comes. I'm going to show you for another one. Yes, so yeah, this is the one. Yes, so it comes all, I love this paper. Yes, it comes all sealed and very nice. Yes, so yeah, so I'm going to show you all of the leggings that I had. So when I was shopping for the Valentine's Day sale, and always sold out, but I do have, like, from my prior shopping I did from them, also also would love to work with them. Yes, so yeah, and they always when I wear them, they always do message me that I look good in them and all of that. So yeah, so the first one that I have is this dark green. So if you are like, you do not want to experiment with a black, like you're bored of a black, you can go for this. It's a dark green. I am sure the camera is showing this as black, but it's a dark green. Yes, and oh my god, it's so comfortable. So if you're wondering which size am I, I'm a size L. It's a little bit loose for me, but I would like it that way. So it's a size L. Yes, very comfortable. It has pockets. It's so good. Oh my god, worth every penny. So this is the dark green one, and I wanted to get another purple one. Yes, because yeah, the other purple one, I've used it so much that it started a little bit fading and it started losing this lavender color. So I got another one in purple. So if you are buying a purple, yeah, so the wash is going to fade away. That's happening only for the purple. I think others are absolutely fine. So yeah, so I got another purple one. Yes, I needed this. Yes, oh my god, this is bomb. Okay, the quality is amazing. Yes, and the next one that I have is I also wanted another black. You can never go wrong with black. Because what is happening is when I am using the black, like I want it the next consecutive day as well. So they are also sweat collecting. So I would suggest you to wash them, next day itself, because they collect your sweat. Yeah. So I bought another black because I have 3 blacks right now, including this. So yeah. So I love the length. It comes till my ankle. It's very nice. Yeah. It doesn't fold as well. So I can go higher waist and I can wear it with all of my tops. Very nice. And it also has pockets. I can keep my phone, and iPhone fits in this. Yes. And coming in the shorties range, like I already have a black shorty, like the cycling shorts. So if you love to work out and all, especially in this summer, you can go for this. And these were the only colors they had. I really wanted to get a lavender and all in this, but it's okay. I would love to go for this one. This is like a shaded pink, right? Yeah, it's a dusty rose. The shade name is Dusty Rose, and it's totally worth it. Also, there was sale, so check out sales in this, like any of your Pink Friday sale, like your Holy sale, Valentine's Day sale, all of these, try to get it in sale. But yeah, if you're somebody on the heavier side, like you should definitely go for My Bliss Club leggings. Yeah, it's very comfortable and it is for all sizes. Yes, so I have very curvaceous figure, so for me I feel like it exaggerates my figure. It shows in the good curves. Yeah, so this shorty it's very good for your workout. So you can pair this and wear it loose t-shirt. You can work out, yeah, very nicely. You can go for cycling and you can go to play games, like you can play badminton and all of that. So I went for this color. Another one, oh my god, I loved this color. Yes, so this is in the color, it is in the color Samira Sage. So I loved this color. I think I would pair this with a black t-shirt. And also, in my farmers and all, like I love to water my plants, I love to sweep and all. So I want a little bit comfortable. Like I would pair this with the t-shirt and just go and plant my water my plants and all of that. Very comfortable. So I got this specifically for summer, so that it's free flowing, it's free, it's nice. Yeah, so check out the shorties range. You also have a lot of, I also have that bell cut leggings. I also have that. Yes, so check out that. Yes, I will see if I have a picture of that. Yes, I'm going to show you guys. So it has the boot cut leggings. Yes, so that are the ones. So just go for it. Yes, it is worth it. Yes. So thank you so much if you watched till the end. Let me know, did you guys try the My Bliss Club leggings? So I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, this is Deepa bidding a bye. Bye guys.